Glyco blood support reviews legit or a scam? Glyco blood support reviews legit or a scam? If you're looking for a supplement that claims to support healthy blood sugar levels, Glyco blood support might have popped up on your radar. But can it actually deliver results, or is it just another scam on the internet? Most people get this wrong by assuming any supplement claiming blood support is unsafe or ineffective. The surprising truth is that Glyco is formulated with natural ingredients like berberine, cinnamon extract and chromium, which research suggests may help support glucose metabolism and maintain healthy blood sugar levels. You won't believe what happens next. While these ingredients are widely studied, results vary by individual. Some users report noticeable improvements in energy and sugar control within weeks, while others notice little difference. Importantly, Glyco is marketed as a supplement, not a treatment for diabetes, so it should never replace prescribed medication. To use it safely, always follow the recommended dosage and consult your healthcare provider before starting, especially if you're taking medications for blood sugar or other conditions. Look for third-party testing or verified purchase reviews to ensure product quality. In conclusion, Glyco blood support is a legitimate dietary supplement with natural ingredients that may support blood sugar balance. While individual results differ, it is not a scam, and with proper use and medical guidance, it can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Always pair supplements with a balanced diet and regular exercise for best results.